What Lincoln really say?
Me not have nothing to say. Go and go find out for yourself. Me no messenger. Me they think me I did a blood clot main man. But me come to find out say me I just a side man who I bring message to you to find out where Lincoln I say. You never really want me. A Lincoln you really want. But the man say, alright, hallelujah. And I said I go around the shop and then I buy a piece of bull and the peer run out the shop and then I buy a piece of cheese and nobody can tell me that. And I run across the road and I correlate my cars back and then I run and run around and then I run around the block and then I peep around and then I peep around the block.
Alright, so where that Lincoln really say? Him never want me.
The man say no want you.
See, I remember when we come for the match, I say, Lincoln, you know, tell me something here there, and Lincoln say, yes, in this so. So how was me gone now? Him I go change up his mouth.
And leave it is, say, and time for cross the back. Earth. You feel earth. Yeah, man, you're earth. Me see say you're earth. And somebody get Lincoln for the life for me, please.
Achoo, call him for the life. Somebody send got where there. Where that me are going on my WhatsApp now, cause Lincoln this text me. And me I say, Lincoln, come for me life. Because me have to find out this. I have to talk and say publicly, cause it might make it look like I say me mad. Me mad when me not mad.
We can't do this, we don't want you. We can't
Lincoln.
Yo.
So, you can't tell on the camera because World Dawg say, when me gonna file out today, he say, you say you never want me and it's a bunch of game I did not play with me. So, I want to verify that because if I really say you stay enough for your people them for free that you cause the way you treat me and nice.
Lincoln, I tell her what Brit say. Brit, Lincoln, Brit say, you and him didn't have a full-blown relationship. Brit say, she left me and there with you. And she come across the table and give her a little kiss. It's not big. May I tell her from start to finish, my friend. Can remember everything. Voila, Lincoln, me go in her house. Wait. Lincoln, you hear me?
Yeah.
All right, me tell her. She over here, she say, Yana did there for true. And she leave me and go to you. Listen to what me I say before you're talking, my brother. She said, it wasn't a big kiss. She only come across the table and give her little toops like this. She said, you call her, you check on her, and you confirm, say, it's one or there. I'm lying, Brit? Brit, I am lying?
So, Lincoln, I not say nothing, so you
Wait,
give
Brit,
me all of this.
I
You never mean it. You never mean all of that. Why I'm messing and talk a whole time.
So why are them still on talk?
You were never connected to me the way how you said he was.
You see it? Another man excel, another man treasure. I saw you do me art, I saw Lincoln do your art, you forget it.
Lincoln, is that true? Be honest.
We need to know when to turn off entertainment. Are we're gonna turn off entertainment now and be real?
Yes, we are be real,
yes,
Lincoln.
Be real.
Be real.
Be real.
Cause Lincoln, she say you text her and you kiss her and them something there. I make she know say you're not there. Someone you be real with me.